Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can remove Gmail calendars from your iPhone. So it's pretty simple. So first what you want to do is go inside your setting. From inside your setting, you want to scroll all the way down until you find mail. Once you find mail, click on mail. Now inside of mail, you will see accounts. Click on accounts. Now from inside accounts, you want to choose Gmail. Now from over here, you can clearly see the option calendars. If you want to remove it, you want to uncheck mark calendars and it'll show you this. Are you sure you want to continue? All Gmail calendars will be removed from your iPhone. Click on delete from my iPhone. But once you do that, what will happen is basically iPhone is going to remove all of your Gmail synced calendar from your phone. And don't worry, you're still going to have your Gmail calendar saved on your Google's cloud, or you can access it again by logging into your Gmail again in the future. It's only going to be removed from your iPhone, not from your Gmail accounts. So that's how you guys can remove Gmail calendar from iPhone. If you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel. One step for future videos like this. I'll see you guys next time.